Welcome to this morning's meditation. Today, we'll learn to flow like the river, moving through life's twists and turns with grace and ease. Just as the river adapts to the rocks and bends in its path, so too can we move forward calmly, no matter what we face today. Let's begin. Start by sitting comfortably, either on the floor or in a chair. Close your eyes and place your hands in your lap. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension and let your body relax. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Feel it flowing in and out, just like the gentle current of a river. There's no need to control it. Just observe how your breath naturally moves. Inhale. Feel the air filling your lungs like water filling a stream. Exhale and release, letting your breath flow freely. Now set an intention for your day. Like a river flows smoothly around obstacles, what do you want to embody today? Is it flexibility? Patience? Calm? Take a moment to silently repeat, "Today I flow with," your intention. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself as a river. See how the water moves effortlessly around any rocks or branches in its path. It flows, never stuck, always moving forward, adapting to whatever comes its way. For the next few breaths, simply flow with the rhythm of your breath. Inhale and exhale, flowing like the river. Notice how the river never rushes. It moves at its own pace, adapting to its surroundings with grace and calm. Now, with each breath, feel yourself slowing down even more, becoming more aligned with the natural, gentle rhythm of the river. You are flowing, free of any pressure, free of any force, simply letting things unfold as they should. As you breathe in, feel the calm waters filling your body with peace. As you breathe out, feel any lingering tension or resistance slowly dissolve, carried away by the current. Let this sense of flow remind you that you too are adaptable. You can meet whatever challenges come your way, flowing around them like the river. For the next few moments, remain in this state of flow. Allow your breath to move effortlessly, like the water traveling along its path, smooth, fluid, and at peace. There is no need to rush, no need to control. Simply let go and flow. Now imagine the river widening as it nears its destination. See the water calmly expanding, reaching a place of rest where it merges effortlessly with the stillness of a large, peaceful body of water. This is your inner stillness, where all movement flows toward calm and ease. Feel how your breath naturally begins to settle into this state of deep peace. In this space, there is no resistance, only a sense of calm, quiet, and balance. Feel yourself completely at ease, in harmony with the flow of life. Take one more deep breath in and exhale, releasing any tension. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of flow with you throughout your day. Remember, no matter what comes your way, you can flow through it, just like the river.